Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Pharmacypedia. This is Dr. Shikha Chauhan, and in continuation to our GPAT series, in this session we are going to learn about the GPAT preparation strategy. Yes, my dear students, it is very important to understand the strategic learning process and how you should prepare well for 2021 GPAT entrance exam. In this session, we will be discussing about the syllabus as well as the study techniques which will help you in learning at a fast pace. If you have still not subscribed to my channel Pharmacypedia, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Pharmacypedia for getting further updates and notifications. So my dear students, as discussed in our previous session as well, the GPAT examination is a common entrance test for the admission into the master's program, MPharm program in the best institutions throughout India. So it is a competitive exam, and due to the growing scope of the profession, it is demanding lot many challenges and lot many scopes. This is the official website for GPAT test. My dear student, you can log in and see yourself this website gpat.nta.com. So this is the view. On the left hand side you can see the GPAT 2020 syllabus. So my request to all of the students who are in the initial stages of their preparation, do look for the syllabus over here, and it is a sincere advice to all the BPharm third year students. If you're watching the video, please take into consideration this GPAT 2020 syllabus, download it, understand it well, because the preparation starts from the syllabus only. So once you have downloaded the syllabus, take the printouts and go through it thoroughly. Also, you will find some more relative information here. The reason being, when you are preparing for any entrance exam, you have to be very well versed about the website, all details about the website. So do keep visiting this website, because notification for 2020 entrance exam will be here soon. Now, this was the advisory which was being issued to the GPAT 2020 candidates. So, similar form of the advisory will be issued for the GPAT 2021 examination. So, you can see yourself that what clarities and guidelines have been provided regarding the examination centers, the timings, the admit card download process, the photographs, and other essential requirements. You can even prepare your mind for the examination centers that you want to be near, depending on your location. So apart from that, you need to have the valid ID proofs and the required certificates. So you must go through these guidelines carefully, those people who are in the process of applying for the GPAT 2021 entrance. So for any entrance examination, maybe GPAT gate, it requires the preparation. The preparation is the key. The candidate has to be well versed and thorough in everything he has learned in the program. So aspirants must have a good preparation strategies to crack the entrance exam. I have seen students, those who expect you to have the good rank, but they fail to get the good ranks. But there are students who are not visible as such, but once the result for the GPAT arrives, they shine like anything. The reason being is that they have the strategic learning process. They prepare themselves very well before the exams, and it is an easy process. Yes, my dear students, it is a very easy process. You have to be thorough in everything, but you need to understand you need to emphasize some subjects more over the other subjects. You need to have the a good preparation strategy. Hereby, I am going to tell you some preparation tips that may help you in for the preparation of the GPAT 2021. See, my dear students, you have to prepare yourself for the examination. Now you have the syllabus also. I have told you clearly about how you can have the access to the GPAT and TA website and the guidelines provided to them. My dear student, the preparation has to be done by you only. You are the one who should have faith in yourself that you will be able to crack the exam. But as a mentor, I can guide you through the preparation tips and the steps which will help you to achieve that process. The very first thing is that the candidate should have a different learning techniques. For example, one should clearly understand of timely preparing by doing the previous year's question papers. Yes, they are very important. You should have knowledge about the last 5 to 6 years thorough question papers, what was the pattern, and you should regularly solve the paper mock papers. They have to be solved. as because it will make you prepared to sit for the 3 hours exam, and it will help you in directing to the question. Since the question paper has a negative marking, you have to be very much wisely attempt the question. You have to attempt the question very wisely and judiciously, because the total gain would be the positive responses only. So the target should not be to attempt the paper completely, but to attempt the paper wisely. And this can only be done when you solve the many question papers, many mock papers. Throughout, the aspirant should be thorough in the GPAT exam patterns. You should be aware that the exam is for 3 hours. It is of 125 questions, out of which 4 marks for each question, and for negative marking you are being deducted with a -1 mark. So this pattern should be thorough, because what happened is that how much high your preparation is, but if you're not able to attempt the paper very well in the end, you are just spoiling everything. And there are students who are very smart learning in that way. They may not have gone through the complete syllabus, but whatever they have done, they actually put it into to their concept, and they attempt the question very smartly. So in deciding the ranks, the smart attempt of the paper is also required. So you should focus on all the important chapters in the pharmacology. Pharmacology is one of the most important area. As long as you are getting 25 to 30% question targeting from here. So my dear student, focus on all the classification of the pharmacology, their mechanism of action, their effects, their side effects. Apart from that, in every GPAT entrance exam, 4 to 5 numerical problems are being asked out. So you must be aware about the topics. For example, in pharmaceutics, depression techniques, isotonicity adjustment. So these are all required every year. So you should always practice such types of the question, because they will help you in achieving the good rank. There are people, those who have very good theoretical background, but they are not able to attempt the numerical question very well. So if you gain expertise and learn the techniques of solving these numericals, definitely you will get to achieve the better ranks. Apart from that, some of the questions are asked from the organic and physical chemistry based on the 10 plus 2 levels. So like for example, your electrophilic reactions, nucleophilic reactions, they should help you a lot. My dear students, some of the questions are even asked from your organic chemistry, which you have studied in your 10 plus 2. For example, about the bondings, hydrogen bond, covalent bond, and even about your electrophilic reactions and all. So you have to thoroughly revise your 10 plus 2 chemistry, and you should study your organic chemistry from Morrison and Boyd, because it will clarify your all the concepts. It is also, I want to bring to your notice that the standard of the entrance exam has been increasing manifold from the last few years. It simply means that the standard is elevating, and it simply says that every time the paper level is getting tough, so you have to prepare yourself mentally. You have to keep your preparation on the track. You have to keep on revising. You have to keep on understanding and never lose hope. The reason being, I have seen students, those who are not very good in academics as such, but they thoroughly take the paper of GPAT very seriously, and they are able to achieve the good rank. Definitely, and always try to study from the standard books. So students must prepare for the exam with double zeal. So cracking GPAT 2021 requires a lot of hard work, as well as the smart work and the strong determination. And this will only help you to solve this hurdle and attempt the difficult questions. My dear students, books are very important for the preparation. You should select the right books, because they are only able to help you in the exams. So here I have listed down few books. I will be posting another tutorial for the recommended books in detail. So for certain subjects like pharmacognosy, refer Treason Evans, C.K. Kukate. For pharmacology, always refer K.D. Tripathi. For analytical chemistry, refer Chatwal. For chromatography, you can refer Remington in detail. Basic organic chemistry can be studied by Morrison and Boyd. Medicinal chemistry by S. N. Pandya. And for the pharmaceutics, you should always refer Lackman. So certain tips which I would advise all of the student is that they should see the past year pattern. They should solve the mock papers maximum. They should try to attempt the time. They should study regularly, thoroughly, 2 hours a day at least minimum. And since the exam is approaching, people have already started preparing out. You can even start your preparation today, because the reason being, if you have already studied, and this is what you have already studied in your BFAM, you just need to revise it. And every year there are 6 to 8 questions which are targeted on spectroscopy, so you can focus on that. Apart from that, make separate notes for the classification of drugs. Every time I'm telling that from the pharmacology, the classification of drug is very important. Then and nowadays juris is also coming into force, like various acts pertaining to the juris, especially drugs and cosmetic acts. Generally 3 to 4 questions are also asked on the herbal drugs every year, so you should go through these chapters of herbal and indigenous drugs. Always try to remember that since the numerical questions are increasing, you should attempt the numerical question very well. Most of the numericals are being asked from the biopharmaceutics, depression and freezing point, alligation methods, and the dose calculation on the basis of body weight and age. So you can focus, try to practice more and more numericals. This will help you in achieving the better rank. My dear students, get ready for the GPAT 2021. I'm sure if by these tips, this will definitely help you. See, ultimately, you have to prepare yourself mentally as well, and you have to grow strong, because this is again very important for any BPharm graduate. I have already shown you the video regarding the top best colleges in India for pursuing the MPharm program. Please go through that video also. That will make you more aware, and you will find that you will fight with double zeal to crack the exam. Yes. Please keep on solving the mock papers and previous year's questions, which will help you a lot in understanding the pattern as well as prepare you mentally to attempt the paper. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel Pharmacy PDF for getting further updates and notification. Thank you so much.